Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Mad Corner here, and we are here at Shinjuku right now. Obviously, we are more prepared today compared to our previous episodes because number one, it is a sunny day already. Let me give you a glimpse of how does this one looks like. That is the JR station for Shinjuku, and you can see there, that is the Don Quixote. Let me give you a There you go. Today, we are going to Mount Fuji and we are going to use the bus. We booked ours at highwaybus.com and then you're just going to select whichever bus company you wanted to try. The bus station can be found at the heart of Shinjuku, right in front, the JR station. That is the JR station. Then from the JR station, all you have to do is go across the street and then up at the 4th floor, you will find this area. By the way, if you're going to stay or if you're planning to stay at Mount Fuji, there are tons of areas for you to pick. And for us, we ended up picking Lake Kawaguchiko. It is one of the popular spots around Mount Fuji. So guys, feel free to whichever you want to pick. Everything that we're doing is DIY. So unfortunately, we're not going to visit Gotemba outlet. So I'm going to show to you how the bus station looks like. Again, guys, from the JR station, all you have to do is cross. And then at the 4th floor, this one. It's quite warm inside, so no problem. And then your bus ticket will tell you which gate are you going to wait. B6, B5, B4, everything's in here. And then you have the information deck here. And then there are some convenience store right in front. Kind of forgot to bring my own water, so we'll get one. We are already bringing some snacks, so water is going to be a big help for me. It's time now. It's 10:30. See, 10:30 a.m. and we are leaving at 10:45. We ended up picking Fujiyoko bus. Fujiyoko bus. Fujiyoko bus. Sorry, Fuji Kyoko. By the way, guys, always remember, make sure to book your stuff or this kinds of stuff ahead of time. This is it, guys. Our tickets are being checked now. Let's go. Our seats are 2A and B. A and B. By the way, they always say that if you're going to book your bus going to Mount Fuji, always pick the left side, right? So that you'll have the view of Mount Fuji later. See that one? It says Yamanako Hirano. Yamanako Hirano. But we're getting off at Kawaguchiko Station. Don't forget to have your packed meals. Now we're going to see how many hours is it going to take us from Shinjuku Station going to Kawaguchiko Station. More than an hour has passed in our bus ride and I can see the tip of Mount Fuji. I know it's kind of small right now, but that is the tip of Mount Fuji, guys. Time check, that's 11:51 a.m. More than an hour. Again, guys, just make sure that you will be sitting on the left side. Left side. It's official, boys. We finally landed here at the Kawaguchiko Station and look at that. Whew, a thing of beauty. Something that I won't see every day. Mount Fuji. Wow. Probably in this video, it doesn't look that much, but if you will be here in person, definitely. Now we have to find our bus ride going to our hotel. Actually, it's around 15 to 20 minutes from here. Gray Pikachu. Right across the station, there is this thing called, what's this one? Fujisan Plaza, where you can buy some clothes. If you're not prepared enough being here, of course, guys, it's kind of cold. And it says it's tax-free. Tax-free. And there's a kimono experience upstairs. So you guys can have a quick fun out of it. Okay, so all of these people are queuing up. See that? Everybody's queuing up for this popular Lawson spot where you can see the Mount Fuji at the background. We decided not to take any pictures anymore on that popular spot, which is the Lawson, because right across, or in the other street, you will see this. This street, which kind of looks better, right? Haha! Again, guys, if you're looking directly in front of the Lawson shop, just go on the street on its left side. You will see this one, which kind of looks better, to be honest. This looks way better than the Lawson, at least for me. And the best thing is you can save your time from queuing up. Just a quick story, guys. We found this street. It's right across, the one that I was talking about a while ago. And then right after the train rail, just go here and then you will find this perfect spot without a single person in here. So we were taking pictures a while ago, and then suddenly there are a bit of few couples who tried the frame that we were doing, and then boom, they really liked it. So this is a very good spot, and no one's in here. Everybody's on the other side. So guys, secret spot unlocked. It is close to 2 p.m. and we haven't taken our lunch. So we decided to roam around. Oh, by the way, that's Mount Fuji over there. So we decided to look for food. And then we stumbled upon this house stay kitchen. So we decided to give it a try. And apparently the one who's serving food is a Filipino. So shout out to Tita. Thank you for assisting us. And then you can eat here inside. We ended up having this chicken curry rice. And from the other end, we have this skewer, chicken skewer. Lunch is finally done and it was a good food. It was a good food, to be honest. And now we are on our way to our hotel. We are going to stay at Hotori no Hotel Ban and it is 20 to 30 minutes away from Kawaguchiko Station. All you have to do is ride the green line bus and then you're all set. This is the starting point or the drop-off point. Let me correct that one. It's not green line. It is going to be red line. They also have the sightseeing guide map. Yeah. It's kind of sunny here, but still it's cold. So this is the red bus. Red bus, red bus, red line bus. We are finally here, boys. And you see that Family Mart and the one behind it? That is the place or the hotel that we are staying for the night here at Lake Kawaguchiko. Honestly speaking, it is one of the cutest hotel. Quick time check, it is 3:15 p.m. Check-in time is 3 p.m. And we left at Shinjuku Station at around 10:45. Yes, 10:45. And then we had a lunch somewhere. Yeah, that's why we have to adjust everything. Guys, if you are planning to stay as well here at Hotori no Hotel Ban, just on the side of the Family Mart, you will see this one. This is the entrance for the hotel. You will see it right away. So this is the inside of the hotel. And then our room, once you enter, the second floor is on the left, 201. There you go. Look at the view on this side. Wow. Let's see how the room looks like. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. We made it here inside the Hotori no Hotel Ban, and this is going to be our place for the night. And of course, I'm going to show it to you. How does it look like? Once you enter the room, of course, you have to remove your shoes. And then here comes the comfort room or the restroom. They also have an ample amount of space for the bathtub and the shower. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Not bad. And it's really, really clean. And it is a spacious hotel. Let me show you. It is really spacious. I would say around 4 to 5 people. And then the window view, you have there Mount Fuji. It is it is going to be a bit hard for you to see, but it is there. Mount Fuji. There. That is our room. Also, from Kawaguchiko Station going here to Hotori no Hotel Ban, which is the number 15 bus stop, it will only cost you around 440 yen. I don't know if it's just me or if this is a common knowledge that if you're going to a cold place like this, make sure that you're bringing moisturizer because the skin of your face tends to dry up and it's kind of a weird feeling for me. Good thing I have this Nivea Soft for Men that I'm using for weathers like this to make sure that the skin of my face is kind of fresh and moisturized. This is coming from a guy who doesn't use any kind of skincare, but for here or for now at least, you really have to make sure that your skin is moisturized. Quick time check, it is 5 p.m. We just had our quick nap and now we are off to the Cherry Blossom Corridor that is just like 7 to 10 minutes away from here. And I am really hoping to finally see Sakura or Cherry Blossom for the first time. We are already on our way to the corridor and then we passed by this old bridge that really looks cool. And then right behind that is the Mount Fuji. And look who is having a great time. By the way, this is the path going to the Sakura or the Cherry Blossom Corridor which should be right somewhere over there. I believe this is Lake Kawaguchiko already. Uh, with the sunset and then Mount Fuji. By the way, it's really cold. This is kind of cute. There are random stands here with cell phone holders so that you can place your phone here and then take your picture with that frame. So we're going to do it. The main photographer of the day for this view. Let's go, let's go. So guys, this is the cherry blossom corridor here at Fuji. Here at Kawaguchiko. Unfortunately, they are not yet here, but it's fine. It's okay because we can go down over there. So if you guys are wondering how the Lake Kawaguchiko and Mount Fuji will look like during sunset, this is the frame, right? This is how it looks like. There's the sun and then boom. By the way, something that I noticed is that 90% of my viewers or 90% of you guys who watches my episode are not yet subscribing to my channel. So it is really going to help me moving forward if you would just hit that subscribe button down below. We just saw that there's a couple over there who are just getting married and they having their pictorial together. So it's just nice. It is really nice to see something like this. It's kind it is really romantic. What else can you ask for that setting? So for this couple who are just getting married, I don't know who you are guys, but congratulations, and hopefully if you ever see this video or if you guys know those couple, please tag them. Again, congratulations. I am in the restroom right now because it is really, really cold outside and my hands are freezing and they started to get numbed already. Just like what I said a while ago. And we are here inside 7-Eleven and yes, they have a comfort room or a restroom inside the 7-Eleven. Again, if you are planning to go to Lake Kawaguchiko or Mount Fuji, make sure to bring your own gloves. So this is the inside of the 7-Eleven, right? They have a comfort room or a restroom. Huh. You might be wondering how come we are inside 7-Eleven during dinner time. It is because there are no open restaurants for dinner. That's unfortunate, I know. But as you guys know, kombini are enough already for dinner. Even for breakfast, I think they are fair enough to serve good food. And that is what we are doing right now. It's just that I have no idea what to have for dinner. Finally, my hands. I'm starting to feel it again. Apparently, they have a pork cutlet over here. This is a good contender for my dinner. They also have some takoyakis over here. And we're just probably going to add the sausage or some skewers later. Ooh, good combo, good combo with pork cutlet. We made it back to our base here at the hotel. And now, yes, that's how big the hotel room is. And it's time for the dinner. It's around 6:40 to quarter to 7 p.m. and it is starting to smell good. Apparently, this is kind of different because it's a brothless ramen with spicy ground soy, meat, and pork. First time to encounter this. Since it is a brothless ramen, unfortunately, both of us wanted to have some soup. So I'm going back downstairs at Family Mart and get something of a soup. We are back again in our room with soup now. So this is going to be our dinner now. That is it for me on this episode. Thank you for watching. Again, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you again next week for another episode. Mad Corner, and out!
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, my break a backbone.